Hi, my name is Nima. I'm going to be a respiratory therapist for today. What is your name and date of birth?
Gigi, June 5th, 1990.
Okay. By the way, don't worry about the last RT. He was from Pima, and I'm going to have him back anytime soon. So.
Oh, understandable. It's fine.
Just going to do some hand hygiene over here. We're going to start with your temperature first. Could you please open your mouth for me and lift your tongue? Also, have you had anything to drink in the past 15 minutes?
No.
Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Can I please have your hand? Thank you. Okay, your heart rate is normal. Could you please stick out your hand for me? Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Your temperature is also normal. Heart rate is also normal, or your blood pressure is also normal as well. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to be auscultating for your breath. I'm going to be checking your breath sounds. Could you please lean forward for me? Breathe in for me. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Could you please lift your arms? Okay, breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. And then lift your arms for me again. very much. Your breath sounds are also normal.
Yay.
All right. Doctor is going to be with you in just a moment. Is there anything else you have any concerns or questions about?
Can you get me some McDonald's?
Yeah, maybe we can get you McDonald's. It depends. Okay.